Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car at CarMax. First, you can easily get a free, no-obligation offer for your vehicle either online or by visiting a store. When getting your offer, be sure to provide accurate details about your car, including its vehicle identification number and current mileage, to ensure the most precise estimate. Before your in-person appraisal, a good cleaning can help make a positive impression. Once you arrive at CarMax, a trained appraiser will conduct a thorough inspection of your vehicle. This appraisal process usually takes around 30 minutes, during which they assess the car's condition, mileage, and current market trends. You are welcome to watch or browse while you wait. After the appraisal, you will receive a written offer that is good for 7 days, giving you ample time to consider your options without any pressure. To finalize your sale, you will need to bring a few essential documents. This includes your car's title or, if you still have a loan, the payoff information. It's crucial that all individuals listed on the title are present and have their valid, state-issued photo identification. Don't forget to bring all sets of keys and remotes for your vehicle, as these are also required to complete the transaction smoothly. After accepting the offer and completing the paperwork, you will receive your payment. CarMax typically issues a bank draft on the same day you sell your car, ensuring you leave with payment in hand. If you owe more than your car's value, known as negative equity, you can pay the difference directly to CarMax. The entire selling process, from appraisal to payment, is often completed efficiently, sometimes in as little as 1 hour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.